Hey, what's up guys? Wave, hello! Greetings from lockdown. We all had a wonderful morning today, homeschooling, and now we're at Mommy's studio. Okay, I can't do this with you guys here. Okay, now go. Goodbye. Oh, hello, welcome. And I, just like you, am trying to find ways to pass the time and keep the kids occupied. And here I am at the studio alone, trying to get some stuff done. But, you know, I wanted to help you guys out. I've been wanting to do an online workshop for quite some time now. That was actually like my only goal this year, was to do workshops, like launch a workshop series. And obviously that's been foiled because of this coronavirus stuff. And being a small business owner, feeling the effects of the coronavirus immediately has been really scary for me. But you know what? It's just, I want to make lemonade out of lemons and still be able to do workshops. So I'm going to give you guys some free online photography workshops. And these are catered to everybody that owns a cell phone. That's all you need. Just a cell phone, pad of paper, an open mind. And I just want to announce that and let you know. So I'm going to go into some detail on the workshop. I'm sorry for the chaos, but the kids are here. I gotta work. So I'll tell you about the photography workshop. I've done these before. I've been doing workshops for probably 6 out of the 8-9 years that I've been in business. I love teaching. It's something that I didn't get enough time to do, and now I'm gonna make time to do it, and that was the whole goal this year. So I guess I'm starting with an online one instead. There's going to be 4 modules in my workshop, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them right now. So module 1 I'll be releasing on Monday, and that is going to be photographing inanimate objects. It's both large and small. So we're going to be shooting cars, like pretty cars, and then pretty jewelry, and just showing you what us photographers do to make things that aren't alive look good and interesting. Module 2 will be on Thursday, and that'll be shooting people indoors. And I'm going to show you how to use indoor lighting, just natural lighting, and how to pose people. And the second to last module will be selfies, which will be this following Monday. And I will demystify the whole thing with trying to make yourself look good on a selfie. And the last module, one of my favorites, is just how to be more creative, like how to take arty photos. And I'll show you some arty photo hacks. And each week we'll have photo challenges, which you can email to me and I'll give you feedback on. I will be posting my favorites on Instagram and giving away gift certificates to Sachiko Studio for your hard work. And at the end of the workshop, once you've taken all the modules, I will give you a quiz, and if you pass that, you'll also be rewarded. And I'm just giving out gift certificates like left and right because I want to help you guys out, and I want to share with you what I love doing. And hey, I mean, yeah, we have to stay home, but why not get to do what we love? And what I love is teaching, and hopefully what you love is maybe learning something and taking some good photos. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the first module, which will be this coming Monday. Thanks, guys.